Pioneers, collaborators, a global ecosystem that provides core precision engineering and manufacturing capabilities, driven by innovation and quality consciousness. We rely on our ecosystems of efficiency to drive change, deliver more value to the customers. We are Aequs, a global manufacturing company with a series of integrated, co-located facilities that support the entire manufacturing value streams and one of the fastest-growing precision engineering companies. Our name, which means equals, reaffirms our belief in the value of collaboration in the intensely dynamic and demanding domain of precision manufacturing. We specialize in precision machining, sheet metal fabrication, closed die forging, Aerostructure assemblies, and special processing for aerospace and industrials. Seeded as an idea way back in 1997, when Aravind Belagavi co-founded Quest Global, Aequs has come a long way. Then an engineering services provider, his vision has today transformed into an efficient network of trusted global partners who collaborate and work towards a unified goal.
This manufacturing ecosystem based here in India, but extending to sites in Europe and North America, allows Aequs to provide speed of execution, reliable manufacturing solutions, and ultimately lasting value for our customers.
We have gained a strong foothold in the booming aerospace domain, and our operations are carried out collaboratively through facilities located in India, USA, and France. Aequs facilities are equipped with state-of-the-art machines and follow robust quality systems and processes approved by major OEMs and global aerospace companies.
We'll continue to provide innovative manufacturing solutions for our customers in every market we serve.
We're also focusing on becoming a preferred source for leading system manufacturers, suppliers to the automotive OEMs, enabling a paradigm shift from conventional to next-generation products.
Aequs Oil and Gas has proven capabilities in machining a wide range of complex part types, using a wide variety of metals, including carbon and alloy steels, titanium and aluminum. We are driven by ecosystems of efficiency, propelled by a passion for precision and an unflinching desire to build symbiotic relationships with global majors. How do we achieve this? By investing in developing capabilities and technology upgradation to promote self-reliance and building ecosystems of efficiency. Aequs operates several manufacturing facilities in India, US, and Europe, and actively pursues joint venture opportunities with global majors to broaden its capabilities.
Our partnership networks are forged with care. We believe in creating global partnerships with recognized industry leaders that drive our ecosystem.
Our partnership with Aubert and Duval SA of France led to the conception of Squad Forging India. Squad specializes in medium-sized aerostructural parts, landing gear, and braking system components in aluminum, steel, titanium, and nickel-based alloys. This greenfield closed die forging facility is set up in 20,000 square meters with two separate forging lines, one comprising of a 10,000-ton hydraulic press and a 1,200-ton screw press. Comprehensive, robust, and truly state-of-the-art. A joint venture between Aequs and Saab AB of Sweden. Aerostructures Assemblies India Private Limited, AAI, specializes in build-to-print aerostructure assemblies for commercial and defense aircraft for emerging markets. AAI is ideally positioned to harness defense offset opportunities in the Indian market. Aerospace Processing India, API, is a joint venture between Aequs and Magellan Aerospace of Canada. The company gained prominence by providing aerospace surface treatments that were previously not readily available in India, the first independent facility to be approved by Airbus and Boeing in India. The fully integrated, scalable facility, operational since 2009, has approvals from other OEMs and Tier 1s, making it a unique value proposition. The new expansion will accommodate additional capacity and capabilities, supporting water-based paint, solid film lubricant, sulfuric acid anodizing, zinc nickel plating, and additional processes under development. Deep Hole Solutions India Private Limited is a joint venture between Aequs and Pressy Hole Machine Tools. This joint venture aims to leverage low-cost manufacturing advantages while delivering to global companies, which are keen to source precision machining components in emerging economies like India.
We have built a rich and robust network and ecosystem, and delivering on our promises has forged us into the preferred partner for our chosen customers.
We hold the distinction of possessing the highest capacity in the Asia-Pacific region, with an aim to quadruple our current capabilities within 4 years and continue charting an upward growth trajectory, moving from strength to strength. We combine the benefits of specialized manufacturing centers in Europe and the US to enable close customer collaboration with a global ecosystem in Belagavi, India, to provide vertically integrated manufacturing capabilities. A part of aerospace facility is located in Paris, Texas, our oil and gas in Houston, Texas, and automotive in Belagavi, India. We have 4 facilities in France, in Cholet, Delage, Besançon, and Aubigny.
Guided by our core values of transparency, trust, and respect, we are building a global aerospace manufacturing ecosystem to deliver vertically integrated solutions to our customers.
Our customers include global industry leaders, Aequs, ecosystems of efficiency.